So here we are leaving Hitachinaka, and it's a beautiful rainy day, just to cap things off. Sort of the last riding day. It's not raining as much now as it was earlier, but nevertheless everything's wet, so we're geared up and heading back to Odaiba. Take the motorcycles back and check into the Tokyo Bay. Anyway, onward for now. So I'm 300 metres ahead, turning right, 250 metres. So it must be the next set of lights. Where's that crow coming from?
Up there, he's flying.
Going off his bloody tree.
He's got an accent though.
Yeah, he's got a different one. We've got Australian ones and we had the European ones.
Yep.
And then we've got the Japanese crows. Same voice, different accent.
Ocean's been more frothy today.
Yeah. Bit of surf.
Yeah.
Anyone out there catching them?
Oh no, there's people on the beach.
Catching a white cap?
Surf shop. Well, there you go. The surf beach. It doesn't have many waves though. There's like two.
What did you say, surf beach?
Yeah.
Huh.
There was a surf shop there, so one would presume it's the surf beach. But it only has like 2 waves at a time.
2 people at a time. Permit system. Hotel 7 Seas. Time of 2 people liberated in daily life.
It's only 6,000 yen.
Yeah. 6,000, $60 a night.
Yeah.
65. Yeah. Alright, is this the Blair Gowrie of Fukushima Prefecture? Oh, the roof.
Different?
Yeah. Oh, there's a surf shop. Surf style, Hawaii style. Japan's Point Break.
No seagulls.
Yeah.
I thought seagulls were like a worldwide phenomenon.
Seagulls? Yeah, well, they would.
We got seagulls like in the Wimmera.
Everywhere in the world, yeah. Which, I mean, even with ships and stuff, they hang around ships and stay with them as they cross the continents. So you would get populations of seagulls everywhere, but it doesn't seem any here. Maybe too, it is that they don't have any waste stuff lying around for them to eat.
Oh, that's a point.
Eh?
That might be a point.
Yeah. Whereas we might have at some fishing ports, they, like the guts and stuff they put back out to sea. There's no rubbish bins here as well. People don't eat hot chips.
Well, no bin chooks either.
Yeah, no bin chooks.
You can't have bin chooks where there's no bins.
So that's one side of it. I don't know. Just been a deep thoughter. Yeah, it could be some other reason. Maybe they shot them. I don't know. Well, as we said yesterday, maybe they ate them all.
They ate them all. Oh, that's evil.
Local vending machine.
With a lot of hot drinks in it.
I wonder if that collapsed or that's the way they built it.
We'll never know.
Melons. Happy melons.
Onions.
Happy onions. It's all around the joint here. All amongst the houses. As it should be.
Yeah.
take it off later, or?
Well, no, it keeps the roots of the plants clean, and like in the case of like if you plant something like strawberry,
So what, they just you pierce a hole through the...
Yeah,
oh,
you
so
punch a hole in the plastic. Keeps the roots warm and it keeps the fruit clean.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not saying all of these are going to be strawberries. I don't know, but that would be my first thought, would be that they would be for strawberry plants. Geez, I love these gardens. Oh, that's a bit unloved. Veranda's all fallen off. There's a parking off to the right.
I was lucky I turned in here. Or maybe there's another one up my head. I just turned in here because it looked like it.
Ah. Well, it said something or other, seaside parking.
Yeah, look.
Oh, wow.
This area is the Kashmir Seaside Park. It was drizzling rain, so we didn't explore the whole area, but we did check out the rows of vending machines here, obviously catering for busier times.
So if you see like an abandoned petrol station, that would possibly be a good place to stop to take the wiring out. Because we're not going to need it. If we were going to get cold, we would be cold.
Yeah. Oh, it's going to be blowy across here. Far out, look how far in it goes. There's a house type thing out in the bay there. Like a Japanese style house. See it over there? See it?
Yes.
This is bloody windy.
Yeah, I'm just...
Speed limit's 50.
Not happening.
What?
Jeez.
Too slow?
Yeah.
Yeah, need to go faster to bloody fight.
I just want to get off here.
A little protected harbour sort of thing for the boats.
Yeah.
Oh, 7-Eleven anyway. Bloody... Have a break, eh?
Sure.
In the rain.
Oh, there's a car park over there.
There is too.
get in there.
I'll go over there. Do you want to go in and grab any bickies?
I've got some chips,
Okay.
and I've got some chocolate. I've got some koala biscuits.
That's right. I've got this back. Yeah, alright. Yep.
What do you want me to go and get?
You got koala biscuits.
I've got a few koala biscuits and a few chips. Not a lot.
Ooh, tries a bone.
Alright, so what we're going to do is we fitted up electrical plug for our heated gear. So before we take the bikes back to the motorbike shop, they probably won't be very happy about it. We'll just remove those, and we found a beautiful spot, although it's raining outside. We found a spot under a car park, an undercover car park, so see which for that one. Yeah.
Da-da-dee-da. Job's done.
We got there a reddish orange bridge.
Yeah.
So when you look at where we are, it's hard to think that in an hour's time we're going to be in Tokyo Bay.
Yeah. It is very hard to believe.
With the mega stuff. Backstreets here and there, everywhere, but now we're on something that's getting a little bit wider, because the GPS indicates that we're going to be doing some speeds, probably 55 plus sort of average for the next half an hour.
So we're going to be picking the pace up.
So we're going to be picking the pace up between here and Tokyo Bay. finish.
Just here.
That's it?
The doors on the right side will open. Please change it for the Disney Resort line.
I couldn't see all that from the motorcycle.
Alright, so this is our hotel, the Upper Hotel at Tokyo Bay, and it is bloody enormous. It's got two king single beds. It's got a flat screen TV. They're very they like to tell you that they've got a flat screen TV.
Come on, the 25th floor.
Got a safe. We've got a humidifier thing there, everything. Got views all the way out to over part of the city, the sort of the southern part of this Tokyo, out to Tokyo Bay. There's some stadium over there where it's got something's going on. And believe it or not, there's a car park there. Not everyone catches the train, as I thought in the city. Yeah, so that's the bedroom area. And you walk through here. There's a vanity basin there, so you can check yourself out. And there's a bathroom, which is sort of the typical module style bathroom, with the electric toilet that does all sorts of things. The soap dispenser, yeah, bath. Then back out the hallway in the room. This goes out the front door. There's just a bit of a alcove area. I'm not sure why that's there, but so there's a mirror. Check yourself out. And there's another thing, which is like a walk-in robe, and you get your slippers if you want to wear it downstairs to the hot baths. Put your slippers again, deodorizer for your clothes, and they give you like a robe on top, sort of to wear around, like a night robe. Not sure what it is. Something the Japanese will do. You go down for breakfast, and they're always wearing them downstairs to breakfast. Some places say they don't want you to wear it, and other places tell you they'll want you to wear it. So there's no real consistency with it. Yeah, so that's it. But yeah, we're on the 25th floor, and that's the view out to part of Tokyo. This is yeah, a lot, but it's only a small fraction of this place.